Listen, if Ginger Minge can be a glamour toad, I can certainly be like a luxurious panda or something. Ginger Minge, sweetie, I am so sorry. Hello, hello, welcome to my video. So today, apparently, I felt like channeling the Grinch and I created this look. Although in my head, I'll be really honest, it looked way more simple than this. I think I just got excited and overwhelmed by the Christmas spirit. So this is what we came up with, but we're sticking with it and I hope that you enjoy the video. I'm just gonna stop rambling now. So the base of this look is gonna be black. So this is gonna look a little messy, but don't worry about it. It's gonna be really cute in the end. Now that I'm putting on my face, I wanna tell you guys about where the inspiration for this look came from. So essentially, right, I was creating content for my Instagram this week, obviously. By the way, you can go and follow me on there if you'd like, please and thank you. So I was creating content for that, and usually, you know, I just do whatever I want on there. I just create whatever I feel. And lately I've really been into either super polar opposite types of looks. So either nude, brownish, very like natural looks, or I've really been into these like dark green, dark blue, shimmery snowflake fantasies. I'm gonna post some pictures so that you can see exactly what I'm talking about so that you could get the visual, right? So that's what I've been into lately. And apparently I'm not quite ready to let that go yet. So I knew I was gonna film today, but I didn't know what kind of a look I was gonna do. I just knew it was gonna be a smoky eye, but that's about it. I didn't know anything else. And so I was thinking about what I was gonna do, and I was like, I'll just see in the morning how I feel. And then I woke up today and I was like, you know what? I'm not ready to let go that blue-green fantasy yet, right? And you know what would look sickening for a Christmas eye look, in my opinion? An emerald green smoky eye with a little bit of gold somewhere in there, probably in the inner corner a little bit, and then a red lip with that. Wouldn't that be sickening for Christmas? I think that would be so cute. So that's what I'm gonna do today. And I'm gonna start off with a black base just because I love incorporating black when I'm creating green looks. I think that makes them look really, you know, deep and beautiful and multidimensional. So now I'm just gonna blend that out with like a forest green shade. So I wanted to talk to you guys today about something a little bit more serious. Now, this isn't exclusive to Christmas and the holidays, obviously, but I know that for some people, the holidays are kind of difficult because of this reason, and I'm one of those people. So that's why I decided to touch on it today. And if you want, we could have a whole discussion topic dedicated video on this subject. Just let me know if it's something that you're interested in. You know, this is such a broad subject that I don't even really know where to begin. So I guess I'll just start off with giving you a little bit of background about me. I feel like a broken record because I say this in every video, but my grandma loved Christmas. So because of that, she always made it a big deal, and she always made it a point to be like, okay, it's Christmas, so we gotta go get our hair done, we gotta do our makeup. Are you gonna help me with my makeup? We have to put on cute outfits. And she always made it so fun to the point where it would actually most years be more fun getting ready with her for Christmas rather than the actual event. We would do our hair together. She would sometimes go get her hair done. I would help her with her makeup. She'd help me pick out a cute outfit. It was actually really fun. And I loved that part of Christmas, okay? And then I grew up, well, not really even grew up, but somewhere along the way, I kind of stopped doing most of that. I'd still kind of do my makeup, maybe even my hair, but I would definitely stop putting on cute outfits, and the fantasy kind of got ruined after a while. And the reason being is just because I didn't want to wear whatever I thought was cute or whatever I actually wanted to wear for Christmas because I didn't want to get body shamed. So today we're going to talk about body shaming and self-acceptance and body image. So I've always been, and I still continue to be, body shamed to this day. It doesn't matter what weight I am / was and everything like that, but getting body shamed during the holidays during Christmas is a different type of hurt for me, because I always viewed December as this magical fairy tale month where we're all supposed to be in love and acceptance of one another, and you know, honestly, that was never the case. And so every Christmas, during Christmas dinner, I'd get body shamed by multiple family members. Obviously, I'm not gonna name them, but so at a certain point, I just stopped wearing cute outfits for Christmas just because it didn't feel right anymore. I wouldn't feel cute by the end of the night. I wouldn't even feel cute as soon as I'd walk in. I'd put it on and it would be such a cute outfit and I'd love it, and you know, I didn't have a problem with it, but apparently so many other people did, to the point where I really literally got bullied at the dinner table multiple times. And what's worse than that is that people don't see anything wrong with that, which I can't get into that discussion right now because that would get me heated for real. But so yeah, like I said, I would literally not wear whatever I wanted to wear because I knew I was gonna get bullied, and that just wasn't the move. I wanted to spend Christmas time in peace, so I just put on whatever baggy clothes I had and try to sort of make it look semi-cute and then call it a day. And to be honest, you would think that that would stop those people from saying those things, but it really didn't stop them. It was significantly less though if I hid and covered my body. So that's, you know, what I really ended up doing every year, and not only every year for Christmas, most of my life. Summertime also is particularly hard on me still. To me, what's important is that I accept myself, and that still doesn't happen certain days, but I'm not gonna hide anymore, and I'm not gonna let people shame me into not wearing outfits for special occasions that I think are cute. And not even for special occasions. Even, for example, during the summertime, I really used to struggle with, for example, showing my arms or showing certain parts of my legs. And honestly, when you think about it, like, it's summer. What am I supposed to do? Be covered up all summer and, you know, die of heat exhaustion? No, I'm not gonna do that. And, you know, I don't think any of us should do that. Obviously, I think we should all do whatever we're comfortable with. And if you have to take smaller steps, then obviously do that. Just wear whatever you feel is comfortable and whatever you think is cute. Don't let your weight stop you from wearing cute clothes that you wish you could wear. You could just wear them, and that's what I'm gonna start doing. And I know that's definitely easier said than done, but we all have to start somewhere. So this year for Christmas, I ordered this white knitted form-fitting long skirt that I'm gonna try and incorporate into my outfit, and I'm very excited by that. Now obviously keep in mind that I said I'm getting a form-fitting skirt to wear, and I'm not saying that we should all wear form-fitting or super tight clothes or whatever by any means. I feel like everybody who has body image issues or who is trying to accept themselves in any way, it doesn't matter if you're overweight, underweight, any weight, even if you're what society considers the perfect weight, I think that you should always ultimately wear and dress however you feel comfortable. But for me, wearing form-fitting things is definitely something that I struggle with. So I'm gonna definitely do it this year and not care about other people's opinions. Obviously, if I get the skirt because I ordered it online, so that can sometimes be a problem, you know. If I get it and if it doesn't fit, then I'm gonna, you know, maybe wear some other type of form-fitting pants or something, or something else that I'll feel comfortable wearing on the day of. I'll see. But I have a couple of outfit options for the first time in a long time, and I'm really excited about that. Like, I'm not just gonna go and wear whatever I think, you know, is hiding my body the best. I'm gonna wear stuff that I actually think is cute. If you're at a crossroads right now where you've decided that you're gonna wear whatever you feel cute in, and you still think that you might get body shamed for it, I saw this really great post by somebody. I don't know if it was on Twitter or Instagram or whatever, but I saved it. So I'm definitely gonna put it on screen to give the person credit because it was a great post. But it said something along the lines of, if people are giving you a hard time this holiday season, just say something like, I'm surprised that you feel appropriate to comment on that. And I think that that might be enough of a shock to the other person to where they'll leave you alone. And, you know, that's something that I'm gonna keep in mind. I wanted to take this time and this opportunity to tell you that if you're getting body shamed and if you're struggling with self-love and self-acceptance and you're trying to do better for yourself, keep going. Okay, so I really took my time in blending that out, so hopefully that looks okay now. But what I was saying was that if that's something that you're dealing with this holiday season, please remember to be kind to yourself, and always remember that the only important thing is how you view and see yourself, not how others see you. Okay, so now that we've shared a few difficult words, let me breathe a moment and start on my lower lash line. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the fun, green, shimmery star of the show. Oh yeah, this is full fantasy right here. Now I'm just blending that into the socket a little bit. Now I'm just popping a little bit of the Extra AF P. Louise base in the inner corner just because it's a gold, but it has this sort of green reflect. So I'm going in with my usual base routine at this point, except because I'm now wearing green on my eyes. I love pairing green eyeshadows with orange blush, which I don't wear that often, but I'm gonna wear it today. Do you guys have your Christmas tree up yet? Because I just realized that I don't. Well, actually, by the time that you're watching this, I keep forgetting that by the time you're watching this, my Christmas tree is already up. You know what else I've been thinking about? I live in a country where we have all the 4 seasons here. And honestly, I couldn't remember when the last time we had a white Christmas was. I really genuinely can't remember. It's been so long. And not only that, but this has been the first year that it literally snowed in December. Last year we had one snowy day in December, but it literally started snowing in the middle of the night and then by morning it was all gone. And this year it already snowed 2 days and there's still some snow on the ground, which honestly, I love snow. I don't care how annoying it is, and it is annoying, especially when, like today, all the streets are not only snowy, but are also icy, and I'm very prone to accidents because I'm clumsy. So I almost fell about twice today that I know of, potentially more times. So it is annoying, but I still love it. I'm never not gonna love snow. That's the inner child in me, I think. So I'm very happy that it did snow this year already, but come on, I wish we could have a white Christmas just once. I'm having a real issue that I'm talking to you right now about the weather. Yeah. We've fallen to small talk, but I'm seriously upset about the fact that I won't have a white Christmas again this year probably. Which doesn't matter because I'm 25 and I should grow up. But it's not gonna happen anytime soon, so let's stop holding our breath. Okay, so we're almost done with the face. Now, when it comes to the lips, I'm gonna try 2 different lip shades today. Both of them are gonna be red, but it's gonna be 2 different shades of red. I'm gonna try the same lipstick that I used in my last video, just because I'm very obsessed with that shade right now. I love it so much. It's a shade that I actually want to wear for Christmas, but if it doesn't fit in well with this theme here, I'm gonna try a cherry red. And I know some people say, oh, if you're gonna accentuate the eyes, don't do it on the lips. I couldn't care less. I really, if I want to wear bright emerald green eyeshadow, I'm also gonna wear a red lip and nothing and nobody's gonna stop me. So, and you should do the same, obviously. Okay. So that's orange in person. In the viewfinder, well, I don't know. Thoughts, it still looks kind of pinkish. Jury's still out on that. So now that I'm done with that, I am using a highlighter that I know for a fact is sickening, a Be Perfect highlighter, because that MAC highlighter really sabotaged me last time. And so today, that's not gonna be the thing that sabotages me. It might be my lipstick, but we'll just see about that. Let me sabotage myself, you know? So I realized I forgot to put on mascara, so I just did that really quick in between. But this is lip option number 1. What do we think? I don't know if I'm feeling this lip. Maybe it's a little bit too much, you know? Let's try the other red lip that's even more too much. Okay, So this is lip option number 2. This, if I were to go with a red with this eye look, I would go with this one, even though it definitely is giving Grinch, bold, but it's the holidays, so why not go all out? But I'm not quite sure about it yet, so let me apparently give you secret option number 3. Okay, so this is the last option. What do you think? Which one is your favorite? I honestly did think that I looked sort of like a glam clown with the second cherry red shade, but I also am not mad at that. But this one seems more appropriate since I want to let the eyes do the talking, really. Okay, and the lips will just take a backseat. It's fine. So that's it pretty much. Let me know which look do you prefer. Do you prefer this look or the last Christmas look that we did in our previous video? And thank you so much for watching this video. Please consider subscribing and giving it a like, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!